Come. We'll have a chair. Yes. You can sit. Yeah, you can sit here. Yes. We have one more chair. Anybody wants to come? One more game, one more chair. Okay, it's done. Simple. You want to sit? Okay, come. Yes. Here. You come here, Papa. I will have a next game for you, okay? Next game. Okay, so this game is called Scavenger Hunt. Sir, it is Scavenger Hunter. This is partnership ಆಡುವ ಆಟ. You're able to understand Kannada, English, Konkani, a bit. Okay, so it's a partnership game. You need to partner with the guest. Okay, it's simple. Whenever I'll ask something, you need to go and get it from them. Right? And every time when you come here, one chair will be missing. Okay, if something is there with you, you can't take it. You need to get it from others. The others can take it yours, but you can't use your properties. तुमचे वस्तु तुम्ही यूज करू ना बाहेर तर हाडीचे. Ready? Shall we start? कोणातावनी आडी येतं. First thing तुम्ही ओसन पाठी येत असताना you need to come here with a tissue paper. Yes, fast. आता ना demo. Just a tissue paper. Fast. Easy. Still have two more chairs. Easy. Low. Okay. Everybody got it? Still have one more chair here. Here, tissue paper. Here. Okay, I request when you are running, please mind this little skiddy. Agar skid is na, ajay ver skid zata. Okay, that was a trial and tissue is required. Wait. A tissue ni mege ಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎವರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, next. You can keep it in your pocket whenever you want. Next thing, whenever you go and come here, you need to get someone's watch. Your time starts now. Someone's watch. Okay, the first one to get out is here. Can we give her a big round of applause? Kaale bhaiya, watch hangata nanga hadogitlo belzaigi. Okay. Hello. My dear, come here. Okay, let's not disturb her. Yeah, come here. Sit down here. Okay. Sir, avarna kalisadalla ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So you need to return this watch, and when you're coming back, you need to come here with wait. You need to come here with 100 rupees note. Easy. Watch it return, yeah. Okay, who's ಯಾರಿಗೆ 100 rupees ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Someone is out, right? We have removed the chair. Okay, that's fine. You need to give this 100 rupees back to them. No, not now. Once it starts. Okay? You need to give this 100 rupees back, and when you're coming back here, wait. You need to come with someone's left leg shoe. Shoe or chappal. Left leg. Okay, let's say it's a left leg. It's the right one. Still have a chance here. Left. Yes, left. It's a left and left. Yes. Okay, you need to hold on. Till I tell. Okay, you need to give this back. Otherwise, they can't go home. Right? Not now. Okay, when I say next, you need to return this shoe or sandals, and when you're coming back, you need to come up with someone. So with their permission again, with their white hair. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. That doesn't work. Okay, now dustbin ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? You need to put it in the dustbin, then you need to go and get someone's glasses. Your time starts now. Glasses. Okay, lovely. Okay, good thought, Alex. When I said glasses, opticals. Okay, lovely. You need to return this back, not now. Okay, so when you're coming back one more time, right? So you need to get someone's pet as a belt. Okay, lovely. So we have 5 members. Okay, any belt is fine. Okay, next. You need to go back and you need to wait till they wear their belt. Okay, wait. Okay, belt galna zalya uprant. When you're coming back, you need to get someone's bangle. Your time starts now. Kangan. Belt galije. They need to wear the belt first. They need to wear the belt first. Yes. Yeah, come on, first let's say. 1, 2, 3, 4. Illo beldala re baba, illo beldala. Yeah. Okay. Konacha kangan gottilla nanga, yardanತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Okay, now you need to return this when you are coming back. You need to come up with someone's, not yours, someone's ATM card. Your time starts now.
ATM card.
Easy. Ayyo. The chair is here. Good job. But you only ittala ATM. Okay, lovely. Next, you need to return this ATM to them, and when you're coming back, you need to come up with the one which you have never spoke so far. As Mr. Konagade ullo nabale tanche phone adu medu kasa. Wait. You got it right? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಫೋನ್ ತರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, some strangers phone you need to get it, preferably ladies phone. Okay, your time starts now. Some ladies phone. Okay, ಯಾರ್ದು ಫೋನ್ ಇದು? ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರ್ದು ಫೋನ್? ಕೊಣಚ ಫೋನು ಗೊತ್ತನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತನಾ? ಲವ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದೇ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಕೆಲಸ. ದೇರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೋನ್. 10 ನಂಬರ್ ಡಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಸೀಟ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, their number, they need to dial it on their phone, and whoever comes first with the 10 numbers on their phone,
They have to dial their number.
they need to dial their own numbers. Okay, and whoever comes first, they will be winner. You got it now? Sit down. Got it right? Artha aitalva? Got it? Okay, so your time starts. Number type ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. But any which ways, whose number is this? Okay, it's 948 -5886. Hello, this is for the security reasons. I'm not revealing your phone number for everyone. Okay, it's your number only. It's Vinita Vinay's number, and the winner is
Joy Prakansh.
Joy. Mr. Joy, a big round of applause. Taliyo, tumka, your phone namaka. Okay, lovely. Can we have all the children here? We have one more last game for all the children up to 6.